Viewers hold Steve McBee's sons responsible for his legal troubles. Fans of McBee Dynasty are pointing fingers at Steve McBee's sons, suggesting they may be behind his current legal predicament. Steve is facing federal charges for crop insurance fraud, with a potential 30-year prison sentence. His sentencing, initially set for June, has been postponed to September. As this news unfolds, fans have become vocal, sharing their opinions about who may truly be at fault. Season 1 highlighted family responsibility, but cracks began to show. In the first season, the focus was on the McBee family working together to save their farm. Steve wanted to teach his 4 sons the value of hard work and accountability. However, not all of them seemed equally committed. By season 2, the weight of the pressure became too much for Steve, leading him to step away. His ex-wife Christy McBee stepped in to take the reins, but that wasn't the only shift. Steve was soon hit with serious federal fraud charges. As the new season premiered, so did news of Steve's postponed sentencing. The family has been candid about their financial challenges, yet some fans now suspect Steve may have shielded his sons from legal consequences. They believe it was his sons who caused the real damage, but Steve chose to take the blame to protect them. Galina Salkovska's role raises eyebrows. Attention also turned to Galina Salkovska, the company's CFO, and Steve's former partner. After Steve left Galina for her best friend Masha, fans speculated whether Galina may have been the one who reported him. They questioned why she hasn't faced any legal action, despite managing the business side, especially since Steve now faces decades in prison. Meanwhile, his sons, who are now in charge of the farm, struggle with communication and leadership, and Steve will likely miss out on seeing his granddaughters grow up. Did the sons know more than they let on? Many viewers aren't convinced Galina was innocent. Some believe she was the mastermind behind the business operations, hinting that her behavior in season 2 was suspicious. My first thought was, it's all Galina. She was the brains of the business. Still, others argue that Steve's sons, especially Steven Jr., were aware of what was happening. Since many farm employees appear to know the details, fans believe it's unlikely the sons were in the dark. They suggest Steve chose to accept full responsibility to protect his children. I wouldn't be surprised if Steven Sr. took all the blame to protect his kids. Some even wonder if Steve made a strategic decision, hoping for a more favorable outcome in exchange for cooperation. Theories swirl as season 2 unfolds. As the season progresses, fans remain eager to see how things unfold. Many suspect Steve isn't the only one responsible, yet he's the one paying the highest price. Whether Galina played a role or not remains a question, and Steve's silence about her involvement has only fueled speculation. What do you think? Do you believe Steve McBee is protecting his sons and taking the fall for their actions? Or is there more to this story? Share your thoughts, and don't miss McBee Dynasty Mondays on Bravo.